here is how to get this warm rolling bass sound. Start with a smooth kick sample. I have tons of kicks like this in my Smooth Kick 2 sample packs. The first thing that we are going to do, get a sub bass. Single soft oscillator with a short envelope. The main analog character comes from the upper layer. Here we can be a bit more fancier. For the pattern, we are just going to use 16 rolling pattern. The most important thing is using a groove. Here, in this case, I'm using string 16. We are having the same rolling pattern, but the first and the third note is one octave up. For the sound, I'm using Diva. The idea is the same. We are using only this oscillator. Quite a bit envelope, plucky, but this one is one octave up. And then high pass filter to remove the sub bass. And sidechain the kick. We have the sidechain also on the sub bass. And then we group them up. Use a bit EQ to cut the super highs and a slight glue compression to get this pumping feel. All together now. If you want to learn more about Melodic Techno, check my Melodic Techno Masterclass.